If you don't think forgiveness is powerful, I want to share with you a really quick story. I get an email today from someone who was a part of our 21-day forgiveness journey. She's in her mid-80s. She's had a family betrayal that is 70 plus years old. I just got an email that by participating in our 21-day forgiveness journey, she has healed years, decades of gut issues. The gut, when you think about what the digestive system does, it absorbs, digests, and processes food. Well, isn't a betrayal difficult to absorb, digest, and process? She has, through forgiveness, healed a lifetime of pain. And that's what happens. If someone can do that with a 70-something year betrayal, so can you. We are here to help. That is all we do within the PBT Institute. We help you make sense and make meaning out of your experience. We have you walk through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough to get to that place of forgiveness. I am not saying you're condoning the behavior, setting yourself up for it to happen again. You're giving the person a free pass. You're weak, you're a sucker. No, what you're doing is getting rid of the power all that pain has over you so you set yourself free. So if our 80-something-year-old person can heal her gut and her life, so can you. Hope that helps.